Hey y'all, so I haven't recorded a food video in a while. I was sending this recipe to my sister and just showing her the video, so I figured I might as well go ahead and record it for YouTube, right? Why not? So all I got was some fresh chicken. I used thighs and legs because that's what I had. I was making something else, decided to make this instead. I had some golden bag of potatoes, like 3, 4 carrots. You need some garlic powder, rotisserie chicken, pepper, whatever seasons you prefer. Use that. Dijon mustard. I used this Dijon mustard because I didn't have no ground Dijon mustard. Some maple syrup, olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, and I use some dry. I use fresh thyme, but you can also use dry thyme. Preheat your oven to 450. I cut up the potatoes. I cut the potatoes in half. I cut up my carrots pretty good. You don't want to make them too thick so they can cook pretty good. And then after that, you put them all in a bowl. You put your olive oil in there along with some seasoning. Just salt and pepper on your potatoes and your carrots. And I also cut up an onion in there too, like half an onion, just slice it in there because I like onions. And then the chicken, you go ahead and season your chicken. For my chicken, I use rotisserie. Like I said, I use rotisserie style seasoning, some garlic powder, little black pepper, and you make sure you season both sides real good and kind of marinate them in. I also put olive oil on my chicken just to make sure the seasoning kind of stick a little bit. Once my chicken was seasoned, I went ahead and mixed together all my wet ingredients for my marinade. 4 cups of chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, some balsamic vinegar, olive oil, put a little bit of garlic powder in there, and a little seasoning as well. And I went ahead and mixed it up real good together. Then I put the chicken directly on top of the potatoes and the carrots and everything, and I went ahead and poured over my marinade directly on top of the chicken. Then you want to go ahead and place it in the oven for about 45, 50 minutes. I say check your chicken. Like if you don't want it too hard or too dark on the top, check it like in 30, 35 minutes just to see how you want it. If it's too browning too fast, if your oven cook fast and it's browning too quick, put some foil on top of it. I say still cook it a little minute. I don't like no undone chicken. I like to make sure my chicken is done, baby, done. So yes, I made sure my chicken was all the way done, all the way brown, cook good in the inside, and voila, magic, baby, bon appetit.